Local news for Wednesday the 21st of August. 8 journalists are being sought to work as local democracy reporters in regional newsrooms across Aotearoa, including Wairarapa. The recruitment aims to boost the reporting on local body issues and the work of publicly funded institutions, such as local councils, health boards and similar organisations. While Auckland property prices are continuing to tumble, the Wairarapa is doing the opposite. According to the latest Trade Me Property Price Index, Masterton was up 6% in July, Carterton 5.9% and South Wairarapa a whopping 14.9%. A Meet the Candidates evening is being held for those standing in the Masterton District Council area. Toastmasters are hosting a September 18 event, and another night will take place the following evening at St Matthew's Collegiate and will be broadcast on Wairarapa TV. Cartertonians will have the chance on the 24th of September at the Event Centre run by Carterton Town and Country Development Group. And in sport, the next round of local football competition takes place this weekend. 8 teams will contest the Knockout Cup and 8 the Plate, and 18 teams have played so far in this year's competition.